Hello, this is Siddu from MobileTechTalk, and this is the unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei P40 Pro Plus 5G. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the specifications of this phone. First up, we have the 6.58-inch 90Hz OLED display, which has a resolution of 2640 by 1200. The phone is powered by the Kirin 990 5G SoC. You have EMUI 10.1, which is based on Android 10 with Huawei mobile services. 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage come as standard. There is also 5 rear-facing cameras and 2 front-facing cameras, a 4200 mAh battery, dual SIM capabilities with 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, IP68, and a whole host of other things. After opening the white box with the rose gold accents, we are firstly presented with the phone, followed by a small leaflet about petal search, phone clone, and the Huawei app gallery. These three are quite important as they help overcome the lack of Google mobile services, including the Google Play Store and Google Search. Next up, we have the quick start guide, the warranty card, and the SIM ejector tool. As this is the European variant of the Huawei P40 Pro Plus 5G, at the base of the box we have the Huawei supercharged 40W wide charger with a European plug attached rather than the UK one. This is alongside a 1m USB-A to USB-C cable, which has Huawei's signature purple inserts. And the last thing in the box is a pair of Huawei wired in-ear headphones. The addition of the mains plug and the headphones may be something we'll stop seeing on high-end devices, especially since Apple has chosen not to include it in the iPhone 12 series, and Samsung has also recently omitted it from the Galaxy S21 series. The unit I have here is in the white ceramic, but the phone is also available in a black ceramic finish. The phone is super slippery in your hands, and the white ceramic finish picks up a lot of fingerprints. So to set up the phone, you need to select your region, accept the terms of use, insert your SIM card, then we're going to be connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Next comes the Huawei ID, which I'm going to skip for now. Firstly, you're prompted to set up a PIN or password. I then set up the in-display optical fingerprint scanner, followed by the facial recognition, which is powered by the front-facing camera and 3D depth sensor. The next bit of the setup relates to the enhanced services on the phone, alongside the Huawei location services, which replaces Google's ones. The P40 Pro Plus 5G then prompts us to transfer our data from a previous phone. You are prompted to download Phone Clone, which will help the transition from your old iOS or Android device easier. I've chosen to set this phone up as new, so I've skipped all of that. We're then shown some of the system gestures found in EMUI 10.1. The last stage of the setup process is to go through some of the suggested applications from the Huawei app gallery. And there we go, that was the unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei P40 Pro Plus 5G. Be sure to head over to mobiletechtalk.co.uk to read our full review on the phone, and leave any comments you have on the phone in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. This has been Siddu from MobileTechTalk.